Like most Valley residents, the last thing you want to do in summer's blistering temperatures is work outside in your yard. With a little irrigation tune-up, you and your landscape will be better prepared for the heat. Here are summer's must-have troubleshooting tips for your irrigation system. Intense summer heat can be hard on your landscape, but applying more water isn't always the answer. Your home's irrigation system is the lifeline for plants and trees. It works hard, especially in summer, so checking system parts and efficiency is a necessary task for homeowners. Item 1 on our irrigation system checklist is your irrigation clock.
So the irrigation controller is the brain of your irrigation system. So it dictates when you water, how often you water, things like that. So you want to have a correct date and time on the controller so that when we have seasonal watering and you have to water at different times or different days of the week, that it's easy to set throughout the year.
Your home's irrigation clock is key to overall system efficiency. Once you know how to adjust its basic settings, such as watering days, start time, and run settings, you're on your way to a healthier landscape. Most newer controllers are user-friendly, but if you want a more hands-off approach, consider upgrading to a smart irrigation controller. Its higher upfront cost can pay off in potential water savings, 15 to 30% on average. Once programmed, these controllers do most of the work for you.
Smart irrigation controllers actually water more to what your plants need. So based on the type of plants you have, the environment you have, you actually put that information in and the controller will come up with a schedule for you. Smart controllers also have weather input. So depending on if it's a hotter day, it may increase water a little bit, but if it's cooler, it'll decrease watering. If it's raining, it'll shut the system off. If it's windy, it'll shut the system off. So smart controllers actually have a weather input, which is really the critical part that makes it different from your traditional controller.
The SNWA offers a rebate coupon to help you upgrade to a smart controller. Find out which controllers qualify at snwa.com, get program details, and print the rebate form. Now you're ready to walk through your landscape to find potential irrigation problems. Use the manual start function on your controller to turn on your sprinklers station by station and do a visual inspection of your yard.
If you have grass, you have a sprinkler system. And so there are a few things that you want to check throughout the year to make sure that system is working correctly. So you want to check first to make sure you don't have any heads that are obstructed. So you want to make sure there's a clean shot coming out. Older spray systems actually have 2-inch pop-ups, and so if even the grass is getting in the way, then you want to increase it to 4 inches. You also want to make sure that the heads are aligned correctly.
With sprinklers inspected, the next item on your checklist is your drip irrigation system. Drip emitters apply water to your plants slowly and deeply over a long period of time, establishing healthier roots. Just like sprinklers, it's important to inspect your drip irrigation system periodically to ensure it's running efficiently.
On a drip system, it's a little bit harder than a spray system because a lot of it's underground. So you want to check for things, first of all, like wet spots. So if you have wet spots throughout your yard that aren't where they should be, that probably means you have a leak underground and something you want to inspect. And then when you get to the drip system, you want to check on the head. First of all, if there's no head on the line, actually there's a singular line of water coming out, that means the head got popped off, you want to put it back on. The other thing is you see clogged heads, or if plants are suffering, like a lot of times that's because the heads aren't working and there's no water coming out. So again, you could pop the head off, check if there's debris. Sometimes it's even an air pocket. If it's debris, you're going to have to replace the head, but if it's an air pocket, you can put it back on and it works. The final thing on a drip system is you want to flush the system out. So like once a year, you want to find the end of the line, and usually there's a flush-in cap that you can open up. You run the line for 10 seconds, 20 seconds. You'll clean it out and you put that back on and it cleans out the system.
Visit your local nursery or hardware store to purchase replacement parts if your irrigation system checklist has revealed any problems in your landscape. Purchase parts from the identical manufacturer for peak system efficiency. You can also visit snwa.com for more summer water-saving tips and techniques. A little maintenance now will keep your plants and trees healthy during the desert's toughest season. With your irrigation system checklist complete, you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of summer in your landscape. Reporting for Waterways, I'm Jenna Naba.